How intelligence work nga ba? On a local government unit. So, connected yung kapulisan, connected din yung mamamayan natin. And they will feel you, by the way. And so, hearing na ngayon. Ewan ko ba kung ngayon ang hearing, but maganda na rin. Our ex-president Rodrigo Roa Duterte and the current, di ba, ang tatalino ng Davao City, no? Our absent without leave mayor of Davao City, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. I don't know how did he file his COC, Certificate of Candidacy, as a mayor of Davao City. Our absent without leave Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ano ba? Dapat na bang i-prosecute sa akin? To me? Yes. Go ahead. Prosecute. Prosecute him. Try to give justice to the unjust. Joke lang. Unjust because the justice was not delivered well. I am one of the victims ng mga mata-mata mo, and I was so afraid that time. Working on a Gaisano Mall from Bahada, there is a rumors of hallucination and the voices on their heads. Merong mga bangag na trabahante doon, mga bebot. Then I was sent to hell. Most of the Davaoenyo will know that this Davao City, the Bahada, the Gaisano Mall of Bahada, is a bungee jumping suicide case mall. So I was sent to rail, Davao City to rail once more, and there I was humiliated. Maybe natakot ako sa mata ng gobyerno. I did forget our long history. And ito nga yung sabi ko, extrajudicial killing works like this. 10% sa lahat ng mamamayan, 30% sa kapulisan, and the rest rely on your LG. Now, the validity of that squad was given. It was 100% true. At nagkaroon ng probing Senate. They tried to ask question. They violates the reality and the information on our current mayor of Davao City, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ang kagandahan, siya nang nag-acting. Siya nang nag-book ng flight,